So we're over in IKEA and this wee thing got my eye. See all the butterflies flying around the room like a wee swarm. And I'm going, where's the light? I was searching for it. See it? Isn't that amazing? And I went and asked at a few departments, and finally a fella pointed out that it isn't a lamp that IKEA sell. It is actually coming from that. It's a projector. It's the store-owned projector. Oh, I wanted one. Isn't it amazing? Look at that. So now I'm thinking about getting a projector. He says, that fella, that you can put videos in your, hook it up to your projector or whatever, different things. Like even birds flying. And you can have it all around your room. Isn't that amazing? So there you go. Oh, look. Oh, well. I would have loved that. So I just thought I'd show you that. Absolutely lovely. Right, I'll catch you later.